Password please. Identity confirmed. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome. It's good to have you back. The current time is 2 hours 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Today is 9/6/2020. You are currently in Delhi. Latitude is 28.6519. Longitude is 77.2315. Today's weather in Delhi is climate haze. Temperature 312.15. Atmospheric pressure 1002. Humidity 33. Wind speed 3.6 km per hour. Mohit at your service. How can I help you, sir?
और ये तो सिर्फ ट्रेलर है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त।